Hi there! Today I'm going to show you how to make a game pass for the game Please Donate. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment a heart. As you can see, I already have many donation buttons. These buttons were made using game passes. I'll now teach you how to make your own. Step 1. First, close the Roblox app if it's open. Then go to your browser and open this website, create.roblox.com. Once you're there, click the Create button at the top. You will be taken to something called the Creator Hub. Step 2. Find your game. On the left side, click on Creations. Then click on My Experiences. You'll see a game with your username. Click on it. Step 3. Make a game pass. Now, look on the left again and scroll down to find Monetization section. Expend it, then click on Passes. After that, scroll down and click Create a Pass. Here, you can choose a picture, if you want. Give your pass a name. Make the name something fun. It's what other people will see when they donate. And write a description, if you want. Then click Create Pass. Step 4. Put the pass on sale. Your game pass is made, but people can't buy it yet. To fix this, click on the game pass you just made. Now on the left, click Sales. Turn on Item for Sale and set a price. This price is how much Robux people will donate. For example, if you want someone to donate 100 Robux, type in 100. I'll type 100 as an example. Remember, Roblox takes a small fee, so you won't get the full amount. Click Save Changes. And that's it. Step 5. Check it in the game. Now go back to Roblox. Go back to Please Donate, join the game, and claim your stand. When you scroll through your donation buttons, you'll see the new Game Pass with your chosen price. Now people can donate to you.